Hi. Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, coming to you live from Denver, Colorado. First time watching me, make sure you go to the page, hit the bell notification so you can come say hi when I go live, all right? If you're repeat, make sure you comment down below so I can shout your name out, all right? But what are the three? There's three tips, right? Do you want to be the best in your field? Okay? Do you want to be the best in what it is that you do? Okay? First, you have to establish that you want to be the best. Okay? Now, there's three things that we all can do to be the best. Before I get into that, the very decision that I made to be the best at the sales rep that I'm doing right now was just one day I was out there grinding it out, man, and I was talking to the person sitting next to me, and it just hit me. And I looked at them and I said, I'm going to make a lot of freaking money at this one day. And they're like, I believe you. And ever since then, I've been putting my head down and just ran. But the three things that you got to do is you got to read 10 to 30 minutes every single day about your field. Okay? That means pick up a book. Dive into the content, so that's going to put some prints on your subconscious mind. Okay, the second, when you're driving in your car, put on some audio books that talk about your field, talk about what it is that you do to get you better. Okay, and then the third thing, go to actual events that are in your field, like seminars, the Tony Robbins things. If you're in Texas, if you're watching this and you are in Texas, March 28th through the 31st, be in Dallas, all right? Because that's where I'm going to be. There's going to be a huge gathering of like-minded individuals, people that want to better their lives, that already know how to retire, people that are retired, people that are just coasting by, okay? They're not coasting by. They're living the life that they desire, okay? But those are the three things that you got to do in order to be the number one in your field. And it takes 7 years or 10,000 hours to become a master at what you do. If you haven't been in it for 7 years, you probably are not a master. You're probably not as good as you think you are. School is never out for a pro, okay? The number one decision is that you have to decide that you want to be number one, and then follow it up with the 3 steps of continuous learning. Tap the share button once you know it's worth it, and pick up a book, because just like you got to eat and just like you got to bathe, you got to get your brain food every day. Love y'all. Peace.